Hello, this is Matt with Survival Garden Seeds. Today I'm going to show you our hydroponic seed collections and how you can use them in your AeroGarden or indoor hydroponic system. We have a hydroponic seed collection for herbs as well as for vegetables. These two collections feature herbs and greens that will thrive and flourish in your hydroponic system. These hydroponic kits often come with pods that are already containing seeds. But pods are also available without seeds, so you can grow any variety that you choose. With these systems, you are often limited by the height and space. So we've chosen varieties that maximize yield in a small footprint, making them ideal seeds for your hydroponic system. These systems allow you to grow in the off seasons and take up a very little amount of space. They are great to have on hand so you can provide healthy produce for you and your family year-round. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics of setting up your indoor hydroponic system. I'm going to be planting both of our hydroponic collections. When you first open up your system, it should come with some basic supplies, such as grow sponges, pods, domes, and plant food. It'll also come with an instruction manual. We like to soak our sponges before planting 2 to 3 seeds in each. You'll have many seeds left over, so you can save them for future plantings. When properly stored, our seeds are viable for 3 to 8 years. After placing 2 to 3 seeds in the sponge, place your sponge into a basket and then into an open space in your system. Cover each space with a dome. Add water and plant food, and then you are ready to start it up. There are different brands of hydroponic systems. Be sure to follow the instructions for your specific model. These systems are very low maintenance and easy to use. Often the only thing you need to do is to change out the water and add fertilizer occasionally. If you are curious about indoor hydroponic systems, these collections are great for the beginner and experienced gardener alike. Thanks for watching. Happy planting!